Welcome back to Harbor Freight's 10 days of deals, and we got the 10th deal, so we'll jump right in. Quick review. Deal of the day 9. This is tomorrow. It's 40% off all Matics. In a few of the comments, people are excited about the brake kit, the inflator, the tire repair kit. So there's a few good Matics out there. I have my video. It'll be linked at the end. 40% off all Matics. Really good deal. That's tomorrow. Then the one going on today, you still have time depending where you are. Going on today is the Union 10-gun key lock security cabinet, $120, $80 off. But the better one, I say, lifetime warranty, lifetime guarantee, $30 for the 25-piece extractor set. Now it says it's $60, but it's really $69 right now. So more than 50% off. I think I put it at 57% off. And correction, I think I had a lot of helpful information in the comments the last couple days. You can definitely return any extractor pieces individually if you need to return them if it breaks. Harbor Freight will accept it. So great information. And then let's go into day 10. Day 10. I'm used to Harbor Freight doing day 10 and giving us a deal on batteries or giving us a deal on zip ties. But no, they're doing the Daytona 3-ton low-profile Super Duty floor jack with a rapid pump. This is the Ferrari of floor jacks, and one of the top 3 items really to get at Harbor Freight for their highest quality tools that they offer. This is the one. $189.99, $100 off. And we'll look at the price history. First, we'll take a look at it a little bit deeper. $290 is its normal price. It's compared to the Snap-on FJ300, which is over $1,000. You can get this in metallic purple, candy, apple metallic red, sunburst metallic orange, or yellow, which it doesn't matter. All of them are super nice. But this is the jack to get. $290. We'll just quickly look at the price history, at least for this purple one. The lowest it's gone at. The retail price hasn't changed. That's stayed at $290 since this one has come out in 2023, August. And there's been sales here and there, go to about $240, which is decent, $250, mainly going to $240. But once back at the end, this looks like Black Friday of 2023 went down to $190. I know there was a sale on all jacks last year, which probably got it close to this. It was like 40% off all jacks. I forget. Someone remind me. But $189 is the lowest it's been, and $189 is the price that it's going to. This is $326, Wednesday, March 26th. The Daytona 3-ton low-profile Super Duty floor jack. Let me know if you're going to get it. This is not bad to combine it with the Badlands jack. They're both great. You can always use 2 jacks. There's nothing wrong with that. But I'll keep it simple. I'll keep it short. Please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for joining me on the 10 days of deals. And as soon as I have some more deals, I'll send them your way.